Mom, what's for dinner tonight? I'm hungry.
Let me think. What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Maybe pasta or something else?
Pasta sounds good. But we need to buy some vegetables and meat first. How about we go to the market?
Yes. I want to help pick the food. I want to get good vegetables.
Great. Let's go get everything we need.
Mom, do we have any fruit left at home?
I think we're almost out. Why?
I was wondering if we could buy some more. Maybe apples or strawberries?
That's a good idea. I'll pick some up later.
Hello? What would you like today?
Hello. We want some vegetables, please. Lily, we need some vegetables for our dinner. What do you think we should buy?
Maybe carrots?
Good choice. Carrots are healthy and sweet. We also need some green vegetables. How about broccoli?
Broccoli? What's that?
Broccoli is a green vegetable. It's good for you, and we can cook it with the pasta. We also need some onions. They make the food taste better.
And tomatoes, which would make the sauce really good.
Great. That sounds delicious. Hi, how much are the carrots?
$2 per kilo.
Okay, 1 kilo, please.
Anything else?
Yes, tomatoes. How much are the tomatoes?
$3 per kilo.
We'll take 1 kilo.
And mushrooms. We need mushrooms.
1 box mushrooms, please. We still need broccoli and an onion.
I have broccoli here. $3 each.
We'll take 1 broccoli.
And 2 onion, please.
How much is it for all of these?
For everything, it'll be $13.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hello, fresh fruits today. What would you like?
Hello. We want to buy some fruits, please. Lily, what fruits do you want?
I want oranges.
Good choice. Oranges are sweet and full of vitamin C. They help keep us healthy.
I also want bananas. Bananas are yummy.
Yes, bananas give us energy. They are good for breakfast or snacks.
And apples. I like apples.
Apples are good for your teeth and your stomach. Anything else?
And strawberries. I love strawberries.
Great. Strawberries are good for the skin. Okay, we will buy oranges, bananas, apples, and strawberries. How much are the oranges?
$2 for 1 kilo.
We'll take 2 kilo, please.
And bananas. How much are the bananas?
$1 for a bunch?
1 bunch, please.
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, apples. 6 apples, please.
And strawberries.
Good choice. Very sweet today. $4 a box.
1 box, please.
Here you go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Hi, welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hello, we need to buy some meat for the pasta. Do you want chicken, beef, or pork?
I think chicken. I like chicken.
Chicken is a good choice. It cooks quickly and tastes great. Excuse me, can we have some chicken breasts, please?
How much would you like?
About 1 kilogram, please.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Now, we need to get some cheese.
Wow, so much cheese. What kind should we get?
Let's get some mozzarella. It's soft and melts easily. Perfect for pasta.
Hello. Would you like some cheese?
How much is the grated mozzarella cheese?
$4 per box.
1, please.
Here it is. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Fresh bread. Come see.
Hello. We would like a loaf of bread.
White bread or whole wheat bread?
Whole wheat bread, please.
Good choice. Whole wheat bread is very healthy. It's really good for sandwiches, especially with some butter.
Here you go. See you later.
Thank you.
Lily, do you like the market?
Yes, I do. It's so interesting.
Oh, what do you like about it?
There are lots of things to see, and the people are very kind.
That's true. It's a nice place. Okay, Now we have everything for our dinner. First, we wash all the vegetables.
I can wash the tomatoes and mushrooms.
Good. I will wash the broccoli and carrots.
Mom, now how should I cut the tomato?
For pasta, we want small pieces so they cook quickly. Put it on the cutting board and hold it gently.
Should I use the small knife or the big one?
Use the small, sharp one. It gives you more control. Keep your fingers tucked in.
Okay, like this? They look cute and tiny.
Perfect for pasta sauce. You're doing great.
How do we cut the onion?
Carefully. Slice the onion into small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
And the mushrooms?
Slice the mushrooms. Not too thin, not too thick.
Okay. What about the chicken breast?
First, we cut the chicken into small cubes.
Cubes like little squares.
Exactly.
Now how do we cook them?
Heat a little oil in the pan over medium heat.
Should I put the chicken in now?
Yes, but gently so it doesn't splash. Spread the cubes out so they cook evenly.
They're turning white. Is that good?
Yes, that means they're cooking. Now keep stirring every minute or so.
How do I know when they're done?
The pieces should be golden on the outside and not pink in the center. They'll be firm when you press them with the spoon.
What do we do next?
Now we add the onions to the chicken.
It smells good.
Yes. After the onions, add the carrots and broccoli.
And mushrooms?
Mushrooms go last because they cook fast. Now stir everything. Now we add the tomatoes.
Should I pour them in?
Yes, gently. And we let everything cook for a few minutes.
Can we cook the pasta now?
Yes. Fill the pot with water, and when it boils, add the pasta.
How long does it cook?
About 10 minutes. Stir sometimes so it doesn't stick. The pasta is ready. We need drain the pasta and then add it to the vegetable and chicken mixture.
Should I mix it?
Yes, mix everything together.
When do we use the mozzarella?
At the end. Sprinkle the mozzarella on top.
It's melting.
Yes, mozzarella melts and makes the pasta creamy and delicious.
Mom, this pasta looks amazing.
You helped a lot. You washed, cut, cooked, and mixed everything.
Can we make it again tomorrow?
Of course! Cooking with you is fun.